Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix if iPhone video sound is not working or the video sound of your iPhone is not coming out. So guys, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix the video sounds of your iPhone in your device. So I simply watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you will have to simply force restart your iPhone. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button quickly and the down button and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, simply restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the second solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to reset all settings in your device. So for that, open up settings and from here scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and from here simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, enter your passcode and reset all settings in your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to update your software to the latest version. So for that, open up your settings again and tap on general, and from here tap on software update, and from here check if there is any update available for you. So I simply update the software in your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.